Okay, so this is the passenger side, the better of the two. I've got her, everything is cured on this one. I already reworked two little spots right here and one little spot down there. And that's it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take 400 grit. We're going to work this down. I'm going to take 600 grit, blow it off. I'm going to take 400 grit, work it down just by hand, just this quick little hit. I'm going to blow it off, wipe it off. I'm going to take 600 grit. I'm going to wipe her down and just blow her off and wipe her down. Then we're going to take it outside and use 1,000 grit and wet sand it, because I already have the other one done. And the driver's side, which is the worst of these two, it turned out looking beautiful. So this turned out looking beautiful. So this one is a quickie. So 400 grit, blow it off, wipe it off. 600 grit, blow it off, wipe it off. And then we'll take it out to the back patio and wet sand it with 1,000 grit, and then get them dry. And then we're going to put color on them today. All right, and I'm actually just a quick, like I said, I am not moving any material. I am just smoothing now. Yeah, all of it, the hard part is done. I'm just knocking the rough stuff down. You see it's starting to come up. That's just the overspray from last night on it, and that's all we're doing. And as you can tell, I'm not doing like this. I'm doing like this. All right, got it hooked with my finger, and this is just, all I'm doing is just knocking the haze off. Just a little bit of overspray. That's all we're doing. All right, and you can see it gets pretty full pretty fast. Then we'll trade sides like this. Actually, we'll do that because we got some fresh stuff there. This is kind of hard to do one-handed, but you guys kind of get the gist. I'm not doing grooves in it. I am just, as you can see, it's just taking the overspray off of it. And this is just the final. Just knocking all the sandy scratches out of it. Okay, we're going to trade sides. See, it's just knocking. See all the dust is coming up? That's the overspray from last night's paint job. All right, so that piece pretty much caked up, baked up. So blow it all off. Then we'll get a new piece. And since we did all of these this way, now we'll do it this way. Hey, since you're here and you're watching, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that bell. Hit that like button. Check out the links down below. You have a good day. Okay, we're done wet sanding, which is just 1,000 grit. Take the water hose to keep it wet. Just all we're doing is knocking down the high spots, slicking it out. Okay, so you would think after the wet sanding and everything said and done, this would be clean. Well, we're going to take a brand new towel, clean, and we blew this off with the water hose. I mean, with the air hose. We blew this off with the air hose to make sure and get all the water off of it. And we're just using a brand new towel. And it's still dirty. Okay, so what we're going to use is another brand new towel, and we're going to use lacquer thinner. Okay, so we're going to take the lacquer thinner and we're going to put it on this rag. And the way we're going to run this rag is we're going to run one stroke and one stroke. Okay, it's late on Sunday night, and I got to work in the morning. But here we go. She's still drying a little bit, but she has 2 solid coats on her. This is the one from the pasture side. She was actually not that bad. Got a couple of spots. They're still drying. But all in all, she didn't turn out too bad at all. So the lines are crisp and nice. And here's the turd. This is the one. Huge gash. Huge hit. Pushed it out. Big dent. Dead center. Look at that line. Turned 2 turds and a couple of gems. Now, I'm not saying this wasn't a lot of work, because it was a lot of work. But they turned out really, really, really slick. All right. This can be done. And I did this for a grand total of about 40 bucks. A lot of work. A lot of my blood, sweat, and tears. But 40 bucks got me 2 fenders that I'm proud to put on this truck. All right. It can be done. A little bit of time, a little bit of effort, a little bit of ingenuity, some patience, and a lot of that. A lot of elbow grease. Got that done. All right, so next, we're going to start on the cab. And I already did start on the cab. I bought myself a longboard for that cab, and you can tell I've already been working it. And I already had to push out a dent. But we still got cab corners to do. We got a lot of work to do. We got to do the top. We're going to finish out the inner door jams and just get everything straightened out and get ready to drive this thing, because I'm still waiting on, still waiting on them tires. If you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that bell. Hit that button. Hit that bell. Get told whenever new ones are coming. Smash that like button. Ask some questions. Every comment I will, if you have questions, I will answer them. So put them down below in the comment section. Check out UncleBuckStuff.com, because I just ruined a hat doing this all this week. Y'all have a good day. It's a good day today could mean proud, put them on fenders tomorrow. Y'all be good.